Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G60, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here we can see media, call, ring and notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volume, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to set the don't disturb mode, we should click here to turn it on or turn it off. We can also here allow the calls, SMS, just notifications from any people, apps. We can set here the schedule, the start, the end time, and to use the duration for quick settings and to display options for hidden notifications. If you want to change the phone ringtone from SIM 1 or SIM 2, and our device has two SIM slots, so we can use two SIMs at the same time, and we can set here two different ringtones. We can also change it here in media section. We can pin media player and to show media recommendations. Just to use these two features, we should use the switchers. If you want to set the vibration for calls, never to vibrate always, first then ring gradually, we should use here this section. To activate or turn off the shortcut to private ringing, also we should turn on or turn off this option by click on the switcher. We can also here change notification and alarm sounds, and in other sound settings we can see here the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. Just to activate or turn off these options, we should use the switchers. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Nokia G60. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.